Welcome to ProBeta's quick video tutorials. In this video, we'll be discussing document 210, Subsequent Events Work Program. The objective of this document is to assist you in identifying and recording subsequent events, obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence about events occurring between the date of the financial statements and the date of the auditor's report, as well as to respond appropriately to facts that become known to the auditor after the date of the auditor's report. This document can be found under the Finalization folder under the Engagement Working Papers folder in your Caseware document library. The document structure is the same for both small and large entities and contains two tabs. These tabs are Procedures to Identify Events and Events Identified. Note that the Events Identified tab will only display once an event has been recorded. On the Procedures to Identify Events tab, you'll be guided to consider different sources and documentation to identify subsequent events. By scrutinizing and evaluating different sources and documentation, you'll be able to conclude on events after the reporting date. In the comment column, you need to comment on the work performed and describe the procedures followed. This assists you in providing evidence that the work was performed and helps substantiate your conclusion. Lastly, in the event column, you can record subsequent events by clicking on the Record button and then entering the details of the event. Once you complete the details of each event, it will be listed on the Events Identified tab. When you click on the Record button to record an event, you need to complete 3 columns. In the Source column, you can double-click in the Source Input cell to insert the previous document you worked on, or you can type in the source document. In the next column, insert the description of the event identified. As you record new events, a new blank row will be added automatically. The final column is the Reference column. Here, you can insert the reference if necessary to supporting documentation or other documents within your Caseware file. Once you're done recording an event, click on Submit. To view the event that you have just recorded, as well as any other recorded events, click on the Events Identified tab. Here, you'll notice 2 other columns in addition to the columns you completed when recording the event. In the Financial Statement Treatment column, you need to insert a description of the financial statement treatment, for example, adjusting or non-adjusting event. And finally, you need to evaluate if the financial statement treatment of the event is acceptable, and if so, conclude on the event in the Conclusion column. Additional rows can be inserted after any procedure in the document. Simply right-click on the question and then click on Insert Row. The row will be inserted after the row you right-clicked on. If the Insert Row selection is disabled, it means that you are on a lower Case View user level than set by the engagement partner in the probe firm settings. To delete a row, right-click on a row you have inserted and click on Delete Row. You can only delete rows that you or another user have inserted and will not be able to delete any pre-programmed ProbeMMX content. The Delete Row option will hide if there is any text in the row that you are trying to delete. The cell must be cleared before its row can be deleted. If the Delete Row item is disabled, it means that you are on a lower Case View user level than set by the engagement partner in the probe firm settings. One of our amazing premium features offered to our premium users is Caseware RiskSpace. Caseware RiskSpace is an online community that provides content to help you document risks, controls, and management letter points. Premium users can import risks, controls, and management letter points from Caseware RiskSpace into their template by clicking on the Caseware RiskSpace icon. This will not only save you time typing, but will also ensure that the correct spelling and grammar are used, which will result in great report writing. Our premium users will also have access to footnotes. In terms of footnotes, a table has been inserted at the bottom of the document with footnotes titled Instructions. These are specific considerations that need to be taken into account as per the relevant international standards on auditing, as well as the applicable international accounting standards. Instructions will also include appropriate laws and regulations. For easy reference, the relevant paragraphs have been quoted. This document also contains features from our add-on products that we offer. These products are the recognition and measurement add-ons for IFRS and IFRS for SMEs. The recognition and measurement components include more specific procedures in this document to assist you in ensuring compliance with the relevant financial reporting framework. The optional Probe MMX IFRS and IFRS for SMEs add-on modules were designed to assist you, the auditor, in ensuring that the recognition and measurement of each line item on the financial statements are recognized and measured in accordance with IFRS or IFRS for SMEs. These add-ons also cater for the ever-changing environment of these accounting frameworks by incorporating early adoption of changes in standards and reacting to future development requirements due to further changes within these standards. Lastly, you need to conclude the Subsequent Events Work Program document by signing it off. For more information, you can visit our website at www.probemmx.com, email us at probesupport@probeta.co.za, or call us on 010-595-QMMX today. Thank you for watching.